Hello everyone, I am your friend Adharaj Paramveer Bhateja. Today we are going to make delicious and mouth-melting pancakes at home. Watch this easy recipe of pancakes and spread love to all. For making sweet pancakes, first we will make sugar syrup for them. Now for making sugar syrup, we will take 1 bowl sugar in a pan and 1 bowl water. Now we have to boil it till the sugar gets fully dissolved in the water. Now side by side we will prepare the solution for making sweet pancakes. For that we will take 1 bowl of grounded wheat flour, in India which we call as maida, 1/4 bowl of semolina, half bowl of cream. Friends, this cream I have prepared from homemade milk, and 1 glass of milk. Now mix them all together. As now our sugar is fully dissolved in water, now we will put peeled cardamom, known as elaichi, and sugar syrup for giving a beautiful flavor to it. Now take a pan and spread some ghee, known as clarified butter. Spread 1 tablespoon of solution onto the pan. After it gets shallow fry from one side, turn it to the other side. We have to shallow fry them equally from both the sides. Now take the pancakes which are shallow fried from both the sides and put them in your sugar syrup. Like this, we have to shallow fry all of the pancakes and put them in our sugar syrup. Now for garnishing, we'll spread some chopped pista and almonds on pancakes. So friends, our delicious and mouth-melting pancakes are ready to eat. Make it at home and let go all drool over this recipe. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe for Smile.